Good morning, student. Today we will read civics, chapter 3. What is government? Okay, what is government? A government can be defined as a group of people who govern a community, unit, or nation. Okay, uh, it is needed to manage and administrate a nation and its affair. Okay, need for the government. आखिर सरकार की क्या जरूरत है? What would it be like if we have to live in a world without rulers? Okay, अगर जहाँ नियम कानून नहीं है तो सोचा जा सकता है कि बिना रूल्स के, बिना नॉर्म्स के वो कैसा समाज होगा. ओके, इमेजिन अ बिजी क्रॉसिंग विदाउट अ ट्रैफिक पुलिसमैन. ओके, डू यू थिंक द अगर बिजी ट्रैफिक है, अगर पुलिसमैन नहीं है, तो यू कैन थिंक दैट. ओके, लाइक दैट traffic would have smoothly. No, it wouldn't have need someone to be in charge to ensure that the people don't descend into cars. Okay. Similarly, in a world without government, we would live without the concept of justice and injustice. Okay. If a person did something wrong, there would be no one to hold him accountable. Okay. In the absence of a government, powerful people would have their way by force and deception, and a weak would live in a fear. ना तो और जो कमजोर है वो फियर में जिंदा रहेगा. Like that, in the past, most kings believed that they ruled because they were given that right by God. Okay, that was called the doctrine of divine. Okay, divine theory. With time, people realized that it was the right of the governed to choose the people who governed them. Soon, the system of monarchy was replaced all over the world by the system of democracy. That's why the monarchy removed and the democracy took place. This gave people the right to choose their government. Okay, that's why the democracy considered as the best form of the government. Okay, and to remove the government which could not act in the best interest of the people. Okay, now we are जो आगे अब हम लोग पढ़ेंगे द फंक्शन ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट. तो अभी हमने देखा कि क्या सरकार क्या है, सरकार क्या करती है ना. Now we are going to look or read the function of the government. Okay, why the government is needed. Okay, the government has an important role to play in the lives of the people. It performs a number of functions. Okay, our government performs so many functions. Okay, the basic function of the government is to maintain law and order and provide security and safety to the people. It has the protect the boundaries of the country and maintain friendly and peaceful relations with other countries. Okay, upon an attack by an enemy, it has to protect and defend the country. इसलिए बाहरी जब आक्रमण होता है तो हमारे देश को कौन बचाता है? सरकार बचाती है. Like that. And the basic function of the government is to maintain law and order. No, पूरे to maintain the equilibrium in the society. That is that duty, that work is done by the government. Okay, the such and such work that our government does. Okay, our government performs. That's why the government is needed. The government has to look after the welfare of the people by providing enough food, adequate medical facility, educational and work opportunities, and other things. So these are the such and such things which are provided by the government. Okay, our government always works for the welfare of the people. Okay, जन कल्याण ही सरकार की मंशा होती है. Okay. It has to provide relief facilities to the people when natural calamities like tsunami, earthquakes, flood, droughts, or famine occurs. It is responsible for eradicating things like poverty, diseases, and unemployment. It is also responsible for developing the infrastructure of the country. It has to build roads, hospitals, schools, dams, wells, etc. and provide transport and postal facilities. Okay, ये सारा काम हमारी सरकार करती है ना, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर को डेवलप करती है ना, जैसे रोड को बिल्डअप करना, हॉस्पिटल बिल्डअप करना, स्कूल बनवाना, बांध का निर्माण करवाना, वेल्स है ना, ये सारे काम जो जन कल्याण के लिए जरूरी है, ये सारे सुख सुविधाओं का निर्माण हमारी सरकार द्वारा की जाती है. द गवर्नमेंट फ्रेम्स वेरियस लॉज. ओके, और बहुत सारे कानून बनाती है, रूल्स बनाती है, रेगुलेशंस बनाती है, which the citizens have to abide by. Okay, the government can punish the citizen who break the rules or those who dispute the law and order of the country. जो नागरिक, जो लोग उस नियम को तोड़ते हैं, नहीं मानते हैं, तो सरकार उसे क्या करती है, पनिश करती है. लाइक दैट ना. In our country, the government was at 3 level. Okay, हमारे देश में, हमारे देश भारत में सरकार 3 लेवल पे काम करती है. There are 3 levels of the government. They are in our country, the government was at 3 level: at the local level, at the state level, and the national level. Now, local level, the local self government; the state level, the state government; and the national level, the national government or the union government or the government of India or the central government or the Bharat Sarkar. Okay, like that. Local self government or the government at the local level deals with the problem and welfare of the people living in villages, towns, and cities. The state government or the government at the state level deals with the welfare and administration of the state. Like that, the union or the central government or the government at the national level is the highest level. It takes decision for the whole country. Okay. अब जो नेक्स्ट थिंग जो हम लोग चर्चा करेंगे वो है ऑर्गन्स ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट, यानी सरकार के कितने ऑर्गन्स हैं, कितने अंग हैं, है ना. देयर आर 3 organs of the government. They are legislature, executive, and judiciary. Okay, legislature, the body which legislates the law, the body which makes the laws, such as at the central level, the parliament. Okay, parliament has both of the house, the Lok Sabha and Raj Sabha. Like that, at the state level, the state legislature, the Vidhan Sabha or the Vidhan Parishad, that legislate the laws. Okay. And the second organ, that is the executive. Okay, executive, the body which the organ of the government which execute the laws. Whatever the laws that is made by the legislature. Okay, either the national union legislature or the state legislature, that is implemented or enacted by the other body, that is the executive body. Okay, and the third is judiciary. Okay, the legislature is the law making organ of the government. The parliament is the central legislature of our country. Okay, it consists of Lok Sabha and the Raj Sabha. It makes laws for the whole nation. Every state also has its own legislature which makes law for the state. Okay, the state legislature makes the laws only for a state, whereas the national legislature make the laws for the whole nation. Mind that. The next, that is the executive, is the organ which sees that the laws made by the legislature are enforced and people who violate the laws are punished. Okay. Officially, India's central executive is headed by the president of the country. Okay. Who is the head of the executive of our country? President. Okay, but that is the constitutionally. Okay, constitutionally, but in practice, the PM. Okay, the PM. Though the real work is done by the Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers. Okay, The judiciary, the third organ. The judiciary is the organ of the government in whose hands the judicial power is vested. Okay, it functions through a system of courts. Okay, it ensures that the government functions according to the laws and settles disputes and safeguards people against unjust rule. Indian judiciary consists of the Supreme Court, the High Court, and the various lower court. Okay, the Supreme Court is the highest court in the country. The High Court is the highest court in the state. The judiciary function independently of the legislature and executive. Oh, okay. So in our country, India judiciary is supreme. Okay, and that is autonomous, independent. Okay, उसे legislature, executive से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. The judges of the Supreme Court, they are appointed by the executive, by the president, but they are free. All judges are free. Okay, like that. The next thing which we are going to discuss, that the types of government. Okay, the types of government, there are three types of government: the monarchy, democracy, and dictatorship. Monarchy जो राजतंत्र, democracy the वर्तमान जो the democracy is the best form of the government. Every country after becoming independence wants to become a democratic country. Okay, in a democracy, it is the people who give powers to the government. Okay, democracy ही शासन की वह प्रणाली है ना, वह स्वरूप है जिसमें ये सारा पावर कहाँ वेस्टेड होता है? पीपल में. क्यों? कि पीपल हैव द पावर. अल्टीमेटली द ऑल द पावर वेस्टेड इन द पीपल टू फॉर्म द गवर्नमेंट. ओके, किस तरह की सरकार पीपल चाहती है ना, उसे वो बनाती है, और उससे जब नाखुश होती है तो उसे गिरा भी देती है. ओके, like that the people choose their representative through election, who then form the government. Okay, democratic government in our times are referred to as representative democracy ना, और आज डेमोक्रेसी को क्या बोलते हैं? रिप्रेजेंटेटिव डेमोक्रेसी, बिकॉज द पीपल एलेक्ट देयर रिप्रेजेंटेटिव and sent there to form the government. Okay, and there are two types of democracy: direct or indirect. Indirect क्या है? Indirect democracy, all the citizens collectively take decisions relating to governance. Okay, this is possible only in countries which have a small population. The people have no say in the matters of the government. Okay, the dictator exercises total control. He rules according to his own wishes and he is unaffected by the wishes of the people. Okay, Adolf Hitler, an infamous German dictator, ruled the country by military force. Okay, so like that there are three types of government: the monarchy, democracy, and dictatorship. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.